Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. I am Jessie. I am so excited to share with you this strawberrific time of year. It is summer, it is great, and it's strawberry season. So in my next 5 videos, I am going to be sharing with you 5 different super delicious, and if I'm making it, it's going to be super easy strawberry desserts that you can enjoy at home. And of course, they are gluten-free. So we're going to start on this video with our first one, which is going to be our delicious strawberry smoothie. Super easy and refreshing smoothie. We're going to use 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, this little cup of Yoplait, which equivalates to about 3/4 of a cup, and a tablespoon of chia seeds, and of course our blender. I love my Ninja blender. So we're going to go ahead and start by placing our fresh fruit in, which is our banana. Then after our banana, we are going to place in our yogurt. If you want more of a desserty type of smoothie, swap the yogurt for about a cup of ice cream, vanilla ice cream, or if you want to make it even more healthier, swap it out for some Greek yogurt. I'm eating this in the morning, so I'm using yogurt. Then I'm going to go ahead and use some chia seeds. Now, if you don't like the texture of seeds in your smoothies, go ahead and omit this. I'm doing it for the health benefits of it. I'm trying this whole chia seed stuff and I don't mind it, especially since I'm already using strawberries and strawberries have seeds in them. And last but not least, we're gonna put our frozen strawberries in there. Since we're using frozen strawberries, you don't have to use ice cubes. This gives it a nice frozen texture and it makes it nice and cold. And to finish it off, we're going to finish it with our almond milk. If you don't like almond milk, you can just use regular milk for this. That is okay. Now that our ingredients are all in our blender, we're going to go ahead and take it for a spin until all of our ingredients are very well blended together. To take this moment just to remind you really quick, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscription button and turn on your notifications so that you never miss out any of my videos. Now let's check this thing out. It looks so good. It is morning time. It is fresh. I can't wait to try it. Let's see what it's like. This is very yummy, very tasty, and very refreshing, perfect for this time of year. Now it's your turn to go ahead and give it a try. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.